Hi kids, it's me again, Mr. Tony. Time for another video art lesson, or rather a lección de arte, which is art lesson in Spanish. And why am I speaking Spanish? Well, because this week we're doing art that's all about the Dominican Republic, which is a Spanish-speaking country down in the Caribbean, in the tropical Caribbean. And let's see, what did we do yesterday? We did some of these palm fronds here. Right, these colorful palm fronds. We did palm trees, or colorful palm trees. But what did I do with my introduction here that says arte with the palm fronds on it? Well, I put all that art on the side of a building, right? It's a little shed. Maybe it's a beach shed, because I have a beach umbrella here and a beach chair, and there's a little door there, and I even added a little gutter and some ground, so it looks like a building. And what kind of art is that when you do art on a wall or on the side of a building? That's called a mural. And that is a type of art that is very popular down in the Dominican Republic. And I have a couple of samples to show you. Okay, here's a very big mural on a wall. Okay, and this one's really neat. It's very colorful. It's got all those great tropical colors. For some reason, I think down in the tropics, colorful things just go well because it's sunny. And even here in America, in the city of Los Angeles, I think they do murals also, because that's a very sunny place with lots of palm trees and stuff. So this is very suitable for a sunny island nation like the Dominican Republic. And what they've done here is they've kind of made a sculpture out of it too. There's all this stuff on the wall. This is kind of a boat, and then it's on an ocean here, and there's some people on the boat there standing. But you'll notice it's very colorful. It's got those beautiful bright colors. And I have a couple more to show you. Here's a very large one too. Again, it's a wall. You can see how big the wall is if you look at this telephone pole and the trees in the background. It's a big wall. And it looks like there's a couple of people holding hands. There's a person over here. And I'm not sure what's going on over here. It's very interesting, and it's very colorful. Again, very colorful, very tropical. And it makes the wall more interesting. I think that's why they do it. Maybe they got a lot of uninteresting walls down there in the Dominican Republic. But I think it's because it's sunny and bright out there, and big colorful pictures just seem to go well with that kind of a climate. And look at this. Here's someone actually painting a mural. Okay, you can see him, he's painting there. And if you notice here, here's a Dominican Republic flag. Okay, but again, it's very colorful. Okay, it's big. It's a big mural. Okay, and so that's what we're going to be doing today, kind of. Right? We don't have a big wall that we can do a mural on. But what we can do is something like what I did here. We can make a building, and then we'll put a mural on the side of it. Okay? So, you're going to need paper, maybe a pencil too, but you're definitely going to need crayons, paper and crayons. Okay, I'm starting with pencil because I always think that's a good idea. In case I make a mistake, I can erase. I can plan it out a little bit first. Okay, so first thing's the building. And that's pretty simple. That's just going to be a big rectangle. I'm going to make a line going almost all the way across. Not quite all the way. And then I'll do 2 lines going up. That's the sides of the building. And then I will make the roof. It's got a flat roof up there. All right. Maybe that's a gutter on the roof. And then I'm going to put a door over here. Another rectangle like that, and To make it really look like a door, I will put a little doorknob on it, right? And I'm going to put a sign up here. And I'm going to write something on it. It's going to be kind of small. You know, and I have to turn it this way so I can see what I'm doing, and then I will show it to you. Okay. For those of you who can read, that says cafeteria, which is a cafe. That's cafe in Spanish, I believe. I had to look it up. I'm not sure. I think that's cafe in Spanish. Okay, so it's a little cafe there. I'm going to make the ground lines over here and here. Now, I'm not going to put any windows on here. I just want a nice big blank wall that we can put the mural on. Okay, so that's the first step. Your basic building, a little bit of ground. That's what you start with. Now for the mural. Okay, well, what are we going to put on the side of this building? I was thinking we had practice yesterday making the palm trees. And then we made them interesting. We made them colorful. We put colorful leaves and palm fronds on them. So that's what we're going to do on the side of this building. We're going to make a mural of colorful palm trees. Right, so first the trunk. Just like it did last time. Just curved lines. Like that. Okay, and now for the colorful palm fronds. Let's see. I'm going to start with pink. I'll take that tall one right in the middle there. I'm going to make the stem. Remember, there's a stem, and then there are all the little leaves pointing towards the tip of the stem. It makes it look kind of like a feather. Okay, and that's it. That's how you do the frond. You do a bunch of them, maybe 4 or 5 on each tree. There's another one. That's 3 palm fronds. And how about another one right there? That's 4. Okay, that looks pretty good. Let's see, another color. How about this color? Red violet. I'll do that one on the end there. Okay, there's a couple of stems, then the leaves. Like that. I'll do another one going up like that. Now, back when I used to do paintings on walls, not necessarily murals, but little decorative things in people's kitchens or maybe in their living room. I would do something on the ceiling, some flowers and stuff. There were a couple times that I actually did a mural. One time, or I did maybe a couple murals, but there's one I remember that I did that was on a big wall in a stairwell, and it was a mural of someone riding a surfboard. And it was so big, it was very hard to get done. So I actually started painting with 2 hands. Because it was just a big sky and some clouds. And then I had to slow down for the surfer. But when I was doing the sky, I used 2 hands to make it go quicker. Because that was a lot of wall to paint. And with any mural, you have to plan really good first, or it'll take you a long time if you're fussing with it, okay? Because a mural is a very big painting. It's about as big as you get for a painting. Okay, let's see, what would be a good color right there? How about blue-green right there? There, I'll do a bunch of stems first, and then I'll add the leaves. that. Okay, and let's see what's next. How about a yellow green? Yeah, you think about it. If you're down at the beach in a very sunny place like the Dominican Republic, this kind of a painting or mural would make sense. But I don't think it would make a lot of sense if you're in a cold place up north, like in Alaska, especially not the palm trees. But even bright colors, I don't think would be typical of what you'd see in a cold place. But it's a nice touch for a colorful tropical area. Okay, and one more over there. And I'm not going to do it on the door, just the wall. And some orange palm fronds. Okay, there you go. That's the mural. Now we started off with pencil. I'm going to go back with crayon. And I'm going to go over those lines. I could have started with the crayon, but like I was saying, if I made a mistake with the pencil, I could fix it first and then use the crayon. You can't erase crayon. This time I did pretty good. I don't think I made any mistakes. So I could have started with the crayon, but just to be safe, I started with the pencil. And then the door. Little doorknob. There's the ground. And the sign. Let's see. I'll do the cafeteria. Cafeteria. It's got a little accent on it. You know what? I think I'm going to leave that in pencil. That's going to be hard to do in crayon because it's so small. I'll probably just make a mess of it. So I'm going to leave it in pencil. I could actually get color pencil to do that. Let's see, do I have color pencil around here? I do somewhere. Okay. How about green? I got a green color pencil. I'm going to turn it this way so I can see it better. There, see? And I'll bring it up close once I'm done with it. You wouldn't be able to see it anyway, even if I was holding it pointed toward the camera. All right, there it is. It says cafeteria. Okay, that means it's a little cafe. Maybe it's at the beach. I could add some more real palm trees in the background, right? And if they're real, the palm fronds are going to be green, leafy green. Okay, but this is art that we're making here, and we can do whatever we want with it. We made it colorful. Okay. A few more fronds. Some on here. And a couple more over here. Okay. So now it looks like the picture of a beach scene, maybe. And you have that mural on the building, on the cafeteria, right in the middle. Here's a little sand. For the sand, I don't have a sand color, but I have brown, and I'll just go very lightly with the brown to make it look like sand. I can even take my white crayon and kind of blend it together. And I could keep going. I could add a blue sky up here. Maybe I'll do a little bit of the sky. Okay. Just real quick. Okay, and that gives the mural on this cafeteria a nice setting, a nice beach setting with some palm trees, nice blue sky, and some sand down here. Okay, so that's it. That was our little Dominican Republic art lesson, murals of the Dominican Republic. I hope you're able to do something with it. If you had paper and crayons, that's all you need, and you could make a building. You could make a house, any kind of building, or you could do a simple building like this. So you have a nice wall, and then you do a mural on it. You could do this with the tropical palms, colorful tropical palms, the way I did, or you can make up your own mural. Okay, so that's it. If you do something nice, please send it to me. My email address, which I gave you the other day, was wrong. Okay, the correct address is A, as in Anthony, which is my first name. That's another way of saying Tony. Okay, so it's A for Anthony. A Griffin, Griffin, at northwestessex.org. Northwestessex.org. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.